Good afternoon, teachers. How are you? I hope you are fine. Thank God you are all here at the moment, having passed through all these uh, practices and learning and tutorials. God still kept us all alive. Thank God for that. Now, this is the second video about classroom management, classroom platform. The classroom platform we are using, which is from Google, called a Google Classroom. Now this platform, like I've explained before, have all that we need, and we chose it to be sure of 247 uptime and professional service to the world. Now let's proceed and see how it is now. Remember the first time we were here, we were just taught on how the classroom goes, but the classroom then does not contain much. Because there were no students. Now we are only told about how to navigate around, but now a lot of things have happened inside the classroom. So let's now see how to handle the students as they are already in the classroom, which is exactly what we are going to be doing when the time comes. So let's enter into the classroom and see how it is now. Now you see I have a different interface here. I just updated my classroom, so I will probably advise you do the same. Meanwhile, I'm using a tablet to choose this video. Maybe that's why it's showing this way. But your own might be able to show this way or show you a different way. But I would advise you to always upgrade or update your apps, especially the ones you use often. Now, I have my classroom here for teaching practice and other classes. Remember, you have to go here and pick the account which you are to use. Now, I'm still using my account here. Now you can equally see the calendar for the account, which is going to open. Let me open it and just see once more and see how it goes. So the calendar can be viewed from inside the classroom and everything remains as it is. You get it? So now let's go back to our classroom. Now let's enter into the classroom by clicking or tapping, and that is it. Now you can see I have my stream, because remember what I told you about stream. Stream is where everything you have discussed so far with the students is going to display. Now you see I have a lot of things. These are the quizzes you wrote. Then you equally see the discussions we had. This is the class I had with you, and this one is the information about a classroom management program, and this is about data and other things I've said, I've communicated with you. Here is you have the teachers introducing themselves as they enter into the classroom. That is Koyi Victor in charge of ICT, and others. See them listed here. Now everything under this particular post is going to be listed under the caption. Now that is it. Please, before I proceed, let me tell you about this data. We have an agreement with a vendor, with MTN, to be in charge of the crediting of your account for the data. So please, we are working with MTN at the moment. If you're using a different network, you might decide to give it to somebody, but try to send an MTN line for the data. Now, the data for junior class note submission is 500 MB. Just assist you. Then for the senior class submission is 1 gig. So when we're doing senior class notes, then you expect to have your 1 gig MTN data recharge to help and assist in everything we are doing. Just for the meantime, remember all these notes of a thing are just for the first time, just once. I mean, once it's done, other times nothing like this. Then we'll be just doing what we're supposed to do without any problem. So please, let's just be serious with whatever we're doing about our lesson notes, because it's going to help us a lot in the future. Now let's see, we are under stream, and we have classwork, and we have people. Now let me just start with people. You see, we have all of you here, as much as are here already. That's it, we have them. And I don't have any invited teacher at the moment. It's only me, that's why there's nobody here. But I'm already in charge of the class, that's why the name is going to be displayed. Now, you see, I have this the Joke and other people, the Buhari, Hussaini, etc. You know yourselves. Now, let's assume I want to see this guy. I'm just going to click and it's going to display things about him. All the quiz, all his scores in all the quizzes he has done in this classroom will be listed here. Everything he has done as an assignment, as a quiz, will be listed here. That's it. You get? Now, the same thing with others. So once a student is inside the class, the software is very easy and so how professional, very, very professional. Everything the student does is listed here. So you're going to see everything about the student. Now, this person have done some programs, so have done some of the quizzes and missing others. Then you can equally see the one he or she is missing, and that is it. And you can return it to him. Maybe to give him more time, or just add a comment. You've not done your quiz, why? Something like that. Just send and it return. It's going to be displayed in his own page about that. Now, you can equally email everything about this person's performances in the class, maybe at the end of the term. The student might want to know everything that has happened about him or everything about his activities in the class at the end of the term. The only thing you need to do is to click on this button and it's going to, you can see, include student work summary. Everything he or she has done in this class, no matter how long he has taken, is attached. Now, the student, of course, is the student. The email is automatically here. You just have to write anything you want. Here is a summary of your progress. Congratulations, you attempted everything and whatever. Then once you are done, you click on what? Send. And once you click on send, it's going to be sent to the person. It's going to be into his email, and he or she is going to be notified about his performance in the class. So with every person, so you can decide to return summary of everything about the students to him or her. Clicking here, clicking on typing anything, hi, hello, whatever. Then you click on send. Remember, everything about his work is included here. Click on send, and that goes to the person's email. So this is how to return summary of work. Everything he or she has done is returned to him at the end of every term, and that is what we do here. So let's go to classwork. Now here you have all assignments and questions you have ever given in the class will be listed here with the dates. See them? So these are the quizzes you wrote. So when I click on each, it's going to open this way. Then I'm going to see people that have written and the ones I've graded, and I'm only going to see those that are missing it at the moment. Okay, so that is it. Now I can email these people here, reminding them by just clicking on this place. You see all of them is checked, or I can still click on each person. Maybe I want to tell this person, but once we click here, everything here will be checked. So what you just need to do is to click on return or click on this email icon, and it's going to take you to compose. Now let's see. Let me use a different question here, a different question, so that okay, I don't want to return it at the moment. Then let's see, let me use whose responsibility. Let me use this one now. Okay, so let's see. Now you see, let me remind these people. Let me just congratulate these people for attempting the question, and at least you see all of them scored it correctly. So I'll just click on graded, all of them be selected. Now click on this icon here, the email icon. That is going to open the email composer of Gmail. Now automatically adding their mails here. So what I need to do is I give it a subject. I say congratulations or congrats. Then whatever, then that is it. Then I'll say sorry, congrats. Then I'll come here and type your work is great. Okay, so I'll keep it up. Okay, and then another thing, then keep it up. Then and another thing I want to tell them, then you now click on send. Then once you click on send, it's going to be sent to them. Same with every person. So now that is about this place. So let's go back and see. So that's about this place. You get? That's about this place. Now let's go back to stream then. Now, like I said, stream will summarize for each question. For example, this is a question. You're going to see people that are turned in at the moment. 4 assigned, which means this number of persons have not done this assignment. 31 of them have done it. So that's what this thing means. Now let's see. I have somebody that turned it here. This person just turned it, which means he just submitted. Then I actually see another person here just submitted. Okay, so that is it. So now let me see. When I click on this question, it's going to open the summary. Then can you see this person turned in? He has answered, but I've not marked it. These people are still missing. They have not answered. Then these guys have answered it already. So let me see. I'll click on this place. Then it's going to open. I will say, okay, in your own words, define classroom management. And this guy said that this is the art of controlling, monitoring, and directing all the class activities in order to achieve desired objectives. Okay, I say now, I might just say, okay, good. If I want in the remark, then I just say, okay, let me just give you 9, and you see that. And once you are done with this, click on return. Then when you click on return, or you can simply send this message. When you click here, all this one will be sent to the person, not that you have returned the marks. So you can click on send. Then this message will be sent to the person as it has been sent, but you have not been marked, so he will not see the score. So if I go back, it's not yet marked. You see, it might appear here as a draft. Okay, let's see. It's going to appear as a draft. Let me see. Okay, maybe network is. Let's see. Oh, okay, now the mark is not there. Let me just add the mark now. I've added the mark. Let me go back there. So you see that it will be here as draft. So this draft means I have marked it, but I have not returned the marks to the student. So the student will not see it. They will be seeing it as yet to be marked because of this draft here. So now if I want to now return it, let's assume I have many, and maybe about 5 or 6 returned in with their marks already. I just click here, all of them will be selected, just like had it been I clicked here, had it been this is the turned in, and once I click here, all these will be selected the same way. If I have many here that have turned in, instead of selecting one by one, I just click on turned in. Then once I click on return now, all their scores will be listed here, and all their scores will be returned to them. If I click on return, so now it will go and join these guys here. Let's see, it's still processing returning work. So return, so it has joined these guys here, and no other person that is awaiting to be marked. Still, these guys are missing the question. Now I go back, let me see another assigned here. Click on it. Then I think it should be the same person. Okay, that's it. The same method. Click on it. Then I'll say, okay, explain any of the teacher caused problems. Okay, see lesson plan. When the teacher is not adequately prepared for a class, that class will suffer because the teacher will not be able to deliver the expected results. Hence, when the teacher's lesson note is not ready, it is a problem caused by the teacher, and that will in turn affect the productivity of the learners. Okay, I say good, maybe. Say okay, that's okay. Good. I say remark. Or then I can equally come here and say, okay, let me give you this time, just 10. They just to show you something. So I can even return the whole mark here instead of going back, instead of clicking back. So I just click on return here. So when I click on return, say okay, return. So I'm returning on this person's score now. So it will now process and return. Then has been work returned to Matthew Kolawole. Then I will now go back. Automatically it's normal here, it goes here. So that is how to mark and return. And all these things you can be doing it anywhere. You can be doing it in your vehicle, in your bedroom, while sleeping, or anywhere you are. Just open your tablet or phone, look at okay, return the reader, and just tap and on the go. You are doing what you should do. So that is student's answer. If I want to see the questions, I'll click here. I'll see the questions. The question. So there's no comment for this question at the moment. So I want to show you something about obj questions. Let's see. Do I have an obj question here? Okay, I think this is an obj question. Oh, a lot of people are missing this question. Okay, so now let me go to question. Okay, is that should be obj question. Let me see. Let me see what question is. Yeah, there's an obj question. Okay, so now let me go back. Let's see what happens here. Okay, there's no comment for this class at the moment. Okay, so now that's what I mean. So go to people. Remember what I told you about people here. Click on this place. You see everything about them. Then you can return to all these guys responses to him. Come to classwork. You see everything about them. You can still look at it here. Then these guys missing. These guys there's no comment at the moment for this class. So that is it. You go back. Equally come back to stream. As you can still see, those returned in no person at the moment. So there's no answer you yet to mark. You have marked all the answers here. These ones are yet to answer. You have 24 already marked. So that is about this place. So just to make it up so that you'll be able to understand how it works actually. So in your own time when you will be doing your teaching practice, you are free to choose a very brief topic to teach us. You observe that then you observe that when I did mine, let me go to the stream. You see the class I have this class. You observe that I have the materials. So see that this is a recorded audio of the class, and this is the note. So that is it. So you click on the note. Of course, you've done this. It will open, and you just go through it and read in preparation for the class. So you expected to make a very short note for us to go through, and from there you answer some questions. Then so that is about that. So now all these things can be done uh, without any much headache. So that is the audio, and you see all your responses. That's very nice, and I really appreciate those that answered questions. Those most of you asked. This person was a very, very good in participating, and other people there too were able to answer questions as they are asked. So that's why I just have to um, thank you guys for that's it. Quite impressed indeed. We have great teachers here. Thank God for you all. All questions almost answered professionally. So of course that's what it should be, because I have sound-minded people in this place. So that's about that. So please get ready your own for your own teaching practice. You are free to ask any question you might have, so that I'll be able to answer it and get you ready for everything. So thank you very much for your participation and watching this video, and I expect your questions anywhere, email, WhatsApp, or Hangout, and that is that. So thank you very much for listening, and have a nice day.